Well, look at that. I'm a believer enough to watch this. I'm gonna push it all the way down. Okay, my foot is all the way down on there, and I feel the pressure. I feel the pressure of the nail pushing on the back, but it's not went through. Let me show you some of the features of these. So first off, they have a very breathable top, so the feet don't really sweat in them. So it's more like a tennis shoe more than like a work boot, but that is steel-toed. So that is 100% a steel-toed lining that can withstand thousands of pounds of force on it before it's crushed. The bottom is a non-slip, kind of oil-resistant sole. They have a nice kind of pull tab back here for pulling them on. They have reflective striping going down, and they have more like a slip-on type design. Insoles are more like just a kind of an all-around padded insole with a little bit of arch support on the side. You can see how the insoles look. So let me go ahead, put these things on, and then I'll walk around and show you how indestructible these are, because I think they're awesome. So I got mine in a size 9, and I think they fit very true to size. They have a wide toe box. I don't feel any constriction or anything right there. My toes coming to about right there on a size 9. You can see these are steel-toed, so let's put this steel-toe to the test. I would not do that with a pair of tennis shoes, but you also see what I have up here. I have a hammer. Look at that. Those are tough. I don't see any, there's protection there, protection there. So protection all around the outside right there. Bump, hit some rocks with them. You're not gonna stub your toe in these, and somebody left a board out. Now I'm gonna take the shoe off for this. I don't know, let's first test it with it off and see how that works. I'm just gonna push down on it and see if it comes right through the shoe. Everybody, I can't get it to go through. I think that's some sort of Kevlar or something right there, because I can't get it to go through. I am pushing down on there. It's inside the foam. Wow, you can't even tell where it went. Look at the size of that. You see how big that is. Let's go right down into the heel. I feel it going through, and then looking in here, check it out. It's not doing it with steel. It looks like it's doing it with a type of protective coating right there that nails can't go through, because it's a very tightly woven material. Let's try that again. Now watch, right when I go my full force down on that heel, you see it bumped up right there. You would know you stepped on something. I'm not saying you wouldn't know, but I can't get it to go through that material right there. Everybody, I'm a believer in these shoes. Actually, I'm a believer enough to watch this. I'm gonna push it all the way down. Okay, my foot is all the way down on there. I feel the pressure of the nail pushing on the back, but it's not went through. I think this is a great option for anyone that's working on a job site that just wants a good protective pair of shoes that, you know, that won't break the bank, but take care of you. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the all around kind of steel-toed tennis shoes. See you on the next video.